Guys, I'm not gonna lie, it is roasting, roasty, toasty outside today. I am hot. I am really warm. So if I fidget a lot in this video, I'm really sorry about that. Couldn't even do a full face of makeup today. Like, that is how warm it is. Probably looking a little bit shiny. It is what it is. The summer glow is here. We're gonna go with it. Aside from that, I am so excited about this video because I think I found my new favourite clothing brand. You know when you do like an online shop and you order some new clothes and they come, you try them on, some things are cute but some things you end up sending back. Like, that's usually the way it goes, or at least for me anyway. Every single piece of what I tried on in this haul, I'm obsessed with. Like, I actually cannot get over it. As you guys know, me and the girls are going to IBIZA on Wednesday. I'm literally so excited. It will be tomorrow as you're watching this video. I could literally scream from excitement. Like, I can't wait. I'm ready for sea, sun, sand, and sangria. Thank you. This is basically going to be kind of like part of my IBIZA wardrobe. I basically ordered majority of these clothes with our summer holiday in mind. Already tried all the pieces on, as I said. Everything is from Princess Polly. This video is very kindly sponsored by them, which is really exciting because it means that I get to give you guys a discount code. So you can use the code Hannah to get 20% off the entire site. I'm going to leave links to everything down below as well if you want to shop anything that I picked up for yourself. Honestly, really enjoyed my shopping experience with Princess Polly. They actually do free express shipping to the UK on orders over £40, which comes in like 2 to 4 days. They also have AfterPay for UK customers as well, which is really cool, and there is a 30-day return policy. So really easy to shop online. They've got so many cute pieces. Like, I was honestly scrolling through the website for like the longest time. I feel like I could have picked basically everything. So yeah, I'm gonna get into it. I'm gonna start with the top that I'm wearing. Actually, I've just popped this on today. I've got a triangle clip for it as well, so you'll see it there. But this is just like a really comfy vest top. I actually picked up quite a few like little cute crop tops from Princess Polly. I feel like I always just love having a good stock of them in my summer wardrobe because they're so easy to pair with like shorts, skirts, jeans when it's a little bit cooler. Just go with everything. They're just like my favorite thing to like have a good stock of. So I really love the color of this one. It's like a really gorgeous sage green, and I actually really like the neckline. That's kind of what drew me to this top because it's not like anything else I already own. I love the fact that it's got this kind of like strap detail that almost then goes into like a halter neck at the back and has this like little cutout in the center or like on the chest. Really comfortable. The one thing I will say, quality wise, everything is absolutely stunning. Like the fit, the quality. Also really love the fact that all of the packaging was compostable, so everything came like wrapped in its own like little bag, and the bags and the actual big bag that it was shipped in was all recyclable and compostable, which I thought was really cool. Just a little side note. Yeah, really love this top. So just picked this up to go with like little denim shorts on holiday, that kind of vibe. Obviously I'll get lots of use of this at home as well. Next up, we've got a little bit of a funky top. Okay, I feel like I really want to make an effort with colour. Like, my vibe for my like holiday wardrobe is colour, so I picked up this little top here. It's basically a halter neck with, again, a little cutout in the centre. I love things with like ring details on at the minute. I feel like they look really gorgeous on. This one is just kind of like a pinky, like orangey colour. It's got all this like wavy pattern running through, which I really love. Super flattering on, really comfortable. It's like a really soft, it's kind of like a slinky material on the inner part, and then it's more of like a mesh material outside. So again, to go with like denim shorts or like a little white skirt, I feel like this will look really cute. Okay, next up we've got this little white top. I am obsessed with this, and especially the fabric of this one. I can't really explain like how it feels. It's like a really soft linen, like super soft, like cottony linen material, really comfortable on. I personally love this style of top, this kind of like elasticated, it's almost like a milkmaid style of top, like that kind of vibe. I just think it looks really dainty and really feminine on. It's got a little bow in the center and it is quite cropped, but I feel like things like this pair so beautifully with more like high-waisted bottoms. I'm also probably going to pair this with like a wraparound like maxi skirt. That's kind of what I've got in mind for it, or like a little sarong or something. Okay, and then next up we have this top. Let me just get it organized. This top I feel like is a little bit dressier. I love to have for my holiday, like especially, outfits that are more like daytime and then outfits that are kind of a little bit more dressy in the evening. So this I feel like would pair so beautifully again with like a silk wraparound skirt. That's kind of what I've got it in mind for. This is kind of like a silky material itself, and it's quite like a dramatic neckline, which I really love. It's got this little strap which goes at the back, and then it has this like kind of like underbust like cut detail. It's actually got like cups and like wiring going through it as well, which is really nice. Like it looks really flattering and really like fitted on. And then the sleeves, like I love the contrast between the more like fitted like actual top in terms of the body, if you know what I'm saying, and then the more like draped bell sleeves. I just think that's a really beautiful contrast. They do actually have little tassels as well to do up, which is a really nice detail. Love the quality of this. Like it's a really nice soft silky material. So I'm thinking maybe with like a bright like silky wraparound skirt. That's kind of what I'm thinking for this, and a little pair of heels I feel like would look really cute. So absolutely love that. And then the last little white top that I picked up, I don't know what it is, I just love having like an abundance of like little white tops to pair with like denim and just other fabrics and patterns and everything else. This one's just like a really gorgeous corset style top. The thing that I love about this is it's just like really stretchy and really comfortable. It's got this really beautiful kind of like lettuce hem detail going all the way around as well, and it has a really gorgeous detail at the back where it kind of like laces up. I did get a little bit of instant tan on this before, so I'm trying to not show you that too much. I'm gonna have to wash it before I take it away. But I love the kind of like hem at the bottom as well. It dips down a little bit in the center. The fact that it has the lace up at the back as well just makes it so much more comfortable and like more adjustable, which is really nice. So again, just to go with shorts, maybe like a pair of a wide leg trousers, I think this would look really gorgeous with as well. And then this top might be a little bit warm for Ibiza, but I saw it on the website and I wanted to pick it up anyway because I was like, I will definitely be wearing that at some point at home. This is probably one of my favorite pieces in this haul. Like I feel like when I looked at it and when I like unpackaged it, I looked at it and I was like, oh, it's cute, but didn't really think it was anything special. Tried it on. Oh my god, the fit of this, I feel like it just looks so flattering. Like I love the style of this kind of like lace up split going all the way through the center towards like the left side of the top. I love the fact that it's one sleeve. I think that's a really nice detail as well. You guys know I love green. I'm an actual sucker for green. Like I feel like it's the one color at the minute that I just can't get enough of, and this honestly just looks so beautiful on. I feel like I'm not always the most confident, as you guys know, in terms of like my boobs. I don't have the biggest boobs in the world. I still love them, it is what it is, but they are like itty bitty titties in some ways. So anything that kind of like makes me feel confident in that area, I always really love. And obviously with this you can't wear a bra or anything, but the actual material is really like comfortable. It's not see-through, and it feels like supportive. I mean, obviously there's not a lot there for me that needs support, but it just feels really nice on. I just love the like fit and everything of it. It looks so flattering. So even if I don't take that away, which I mean, for cooler days, I feel like it'd be absolutely fine because obviously it's only got the one sleeve, but I just think this will look gorgeous with like denim shorts or like jeans. Okay, and then dress-wise, right, let me speak to you about this dress a second because I am obsessed with it. So I've been on the hunt for like a dress this style. I feel like I have so many different types of style. Like sometimes I love to dress like a literal man. I love the tomboy kind of style. Like I love cargo pants and baggy jeans and a baggy top, like oversized everything kind of vibes. And then every now and then I'm like, no, I want to be a princess. Like I want to look dainty and pretty and feminine. So this is kind of that vibe. It's quite hard to show. I'm just gonna let you enjoy the try on clip because when I tell you this dress is so beautiful on, this is 100% first thing that's being packed in my suitcase. Like I just think this is such a gorgeous dress to take on holiday and also to wear at home. Like I know I'm going to get so much use out of this. That's what I was saying about the quality of everything. This kind of, it's almost like double layered with like a petticoat. Like I can't explain it. It really like puffs out and creates so much shape, and I think it just like makes your figure look 10 times better in some ways because it really like makes your waist look smaller because it comes out so much, if you know what I'm saying. Love the sleeves on this. I think it's absolutely stunning. Yeah, it's just a really, really gorgeous dress. Like, I literally am obsessed with it. Again, I've got 10 on it. So I'm going to have to wash it before we go away. But I love this. The sleeves are quite puffy as well, but not like too puffy to the point where it's too much, because I'm not one for like a really puffy sleeve. But it's just a gorgeous like little white dress, like the perfect sundress, like summer sundress. And then this dress, guys, honestly, I don't think I've been this excited about a clothing haul in a while. I mean, it's probably because it's all clothes I'm taking on holiday as well. First of all, it's green. I've already just said what I wanted to say about my obsession with green. It is a problem, but I love it. This dress is gorgeous on, like so flattering, so like hugging in all the right places. It's like a bodycon, really, really stretchy, like jersey material. Obviously, it's a halter neck as well. Makes your body look 10 out of 10. I feel like it just really hugs in all the right places. It's a gorgeous length. Like, mini dresses for me, especially like tight bodycon mini dresses, sometimes don't always have the best of luck because my legs are quite long and my torso is quite long. Like, I'm quite tall. This is perfect. Like, I literally would not change a thing about this. It looks so beautiful on. I feel like with a pair of sandals, this will look really cute. Obviously, you could dress this up with heels as well. Everything about it is stunning. I am obsessed. Okay, and then this dress is a little bit of a different vibe. This I kind of picked up more so for like a beach cover up, because it is kind of like a sheer knit. I loved the like colours running through this. Obviously, this is a bit more neutral. It's like a nude colour with like black and grey stitching running through, which I really, really love. Absolutely love the fit of this. I love the fact that it's like a high neck. I just feel like over a bikini or something like that, say if, I feel like things like this are perfect if you're maybe going to the beach, but then you also want to like grab like a bite for lunch at some point, like whilst you're at the beach. So absolutely love this. It's a really like soft, comfortable material as well, which is really, really nice. So perfect for daytime. And then it wouldn't be me and it wouldn't be a Hannah haul if I didn't pick up a black dress. Like, you guys know, I love wearing black. It's just such a like yummy, sexy, like goes with everything kind of colour. So I picked this up. I mean, it's going to be impossible to show because it's got so many like tassels going on, but you'll see in the try on clip. It's just a really gorgeous black satin dress, like so classic, so elegant, so like timeless, really perfect again for holiday, just because it's got like the extra bits of cutouts and like the ties. Like, it looks quite beachy in my opinion, but it can definitely be dressed up as well. Really comfortable on. It's also got like a slit going up the leg as well, which is really, really nice. There's just quite a lot going on, which is perfect for like a black dress, because obviously like a plain like block colored dress can be a little bit like just simple otherwise. Okay, and then I also picked up a little black skirt. I say a little black skirt, it's like a maxi skirt. I love having stuff like this for holiday, especially because it's not really, these aren't really pieces that I tend to wear as much at home, so it's kind of nice when I go away to like have something that's a little bit different. So this is just a really gorgeous bodycon ribbed maxi skirt. It's got these cutouts here and like a gold ring in the center. So again, very like beach vibes in my opinion. I feel like with a pair of little sandals and maybe like a little black like triangle bikini top, that's kind of what I've got this in mind for, and lots of jewelry and like an oversized tote bag or something. All right, and then let me talk to you about this bikini, because I think this might be one of my favorite bikinis that I have got for Ibiza. The colors, first of all, let me just give you like the vibe. The colors are actually the cutest thing I've ever seen. Like, I'm obsessed. So these are the bikini bottoms. They're just like little strappy. It's kind of like, I'd say it's in between like a Brazilian cut. Yeah, I'd say it's more like a Brazilian cut than a thong cut. I personally love this style of bikini. I don't like anything too skimpy in terms of bikini bottoms. I feel like Brazilian cuts are really, really nice. Like, they look really flattering on like my body anyway. I love the fact that this is kind of ruched here as well, so you can kind of like adjust it a little bit. And these straps are really stretchy, and I quite like to put like these kind of straps right on my waist, just because I think it looks more flattering on my figure. So really love the fact that this is quite stretchy so that I can do that. And then the top, oh my gosh, I am obsessed with this. It's just like a really gorgeous bandeau top with this like, it's kind of like a little bone, like a little bit of boning like cut out here, and then it goes into a halter neck, and it looks so flattering and so beautiful on. I'm literally obsessed with it. It's a really gorgeous bikini set to wear. Obviously it's kind of like, it's like lilac pastel-y blues running through it, which I think is really nice. Definitely like a nice poolside bikini in my opinion. And then I did want to get the matching sarong as well, because do you know what, that's like my Ibiza vibe. I feel like it's like a cute bikini and then a cute like cover up or sarong. So this one is literally the matching colours, and it's a really, really nice material. It's the same kind of like slinky material as the bikini itself, and obviously you can just tie that however you want. So absolutely love that. Definitely one of my favourite bikinis for this trip. And then this one I love as well. It's just a little bit tighter in terms of the fit. So this is the bikini top. Just a really gorgeous like bandeau with this little like cutout in the centre, which I actually really like because you can really adjust these bikinis quite easily. You can obviously make this section like tighter or looser. And then the bikini bottoms for this one I really love. They're a little bit tighter than the other ones. Did I get the same size? Yeah, I got a 10 in both. Honestly, I was saying this in a vlog like on Sunday, or it wasn't a vlog, but it was like my get ready for my birthday and come out with me. I'm such an awkward size for bikini bottoms at the minute. Like I'm not quite a small, but I'm not quite a medium. Like I'm really somewhere in between, but absolutely love the colour of this. I feel like orange is again one of my favourite colours to wear at the minute, and orange and pink together I just think is so adorable. Okay, and then last but not least, this isn't really an Ibiza outfit, but I saw it on the website and I wanted to pick it up because I just thought it looked gorgeous. So it's basically a two-piece. It's this really gorgeous bandeau crop top. Again, has that like under bust like bone detail running through it, which is really, really nice with these sleeves. So really gorgeous like chocolate colour. I love wearing chocolate brown. I just think it's such a gorgeous colour to wear. And then it basically comes with these long like wide leg trousers. Such a beautiful fit. You can actually ruche them in the centre as well, which is really nice. So you can kind of adjust like the hem for the waistband, so you can have it more like dipped or more straight depending on what you like. But yeah, I just thought this was such a gorgeous two-piece just to go with some trainers. But yeah, that is everything that I picked up from Princess Polly. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget that you can use code Hannah to get 20% off the site. Let me know in the comments what your favourite outfit was as well, because I would love to know. I feel like I actually can't decide. Like I actually love all of it. This is what I mean. I was so excited trying these pieces on because it's just the best feeling, you know. I feel like a lot of the time I order things, it's like a 50-50 as to like what I actually like, but everything in this I really, really loved. So big thank you to Princess Polly for wanting to work with me on this video. I'm gonna get going anyway because I'm literally sweating balls. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and the next video you will see will probably be some Ibiza content, so I'll see you there.